You get out of this. No, you died. What's up? My name is Cornelius today. Number 1. Get out by using your winch. Now the vehicle gets stuck, like this one. You cannot get out, like this one. They can barely get up, but you can't drive. The best way to do is find a winch, or a rope, or anything. Like something like a rope. Something. Then when you got it, then you have to grab another rope. Put it underneath and drive out. Like this one. Now there's one problem. I'm trying to find the rope that I was going to put it over there, but I'm going to use this clay rope for 10. Get it out. Number 2, all-wheel drive. Auto diff lock. Now if you're driving a car, make sure you install auto diff lock. And this is Auto Diff Lock sponsoring us, featuring this auto diff lock. It's a highly disc lock. You put the disc lock over here. Putting the disc lock over here. Putting the disc lock. Let me think. Now quickly drive over, starting there. There you go, a drivable vehicle. You should also remember that you have to break over the bumper because, well, the bumper gives it away and you cannot. But it's still in one piece, so this vehicle doesn't do it anyway. Number 2, excavator. Now if you're stuck like this, you're gonna call one excavator. Now if your vehicle gets stuck, grab the vehicle from the bottom punch and then pull out the excavator. Pull out the excavator pull out the vehicle out of the road. And to get out of stuck and continue on. And lastly, number 4 is the very first day. Number 4, power your winch. Now if you're stuck over here, like this, you also know that the winch got stuck at the cot. What you need to do is near a ramp, like this one here. Then put the front over here, see? And put in the ramps over here. Gets grip traction. Now, what do? You have to drive front, holding up the front, and climb up slowly. And put it on 4-wheel drive for extra traction. And there you go. 4 easy ways to get out. I'll see you next time. Bye.